Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Vasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax, I will tell you how to show you how to model a Macqueen car, like you have seen in the movies. Macqueen movie. It's a car movie. It's a movie about the cars. It's a Macqueen car, like cartoon. You can see it, and it's a cartoon movie. Macqueen car. Now I want to design it, so do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest notification. So without wasting any time, let's jump to 3dsmax. Now take a plane as a reference. I want to take an image of the Macqueen car. Set it as 1 length segment 1, width segment 1, and from here select wireframe, select from the front viewport faces, and it would be color. And now place a compact material editor. Select from here first slot, the first slot, select, go to VRAMTL. Now VRAMTL, select from here diffuse, click on this right button and click on bitmap. Select the image which I have set as a reference, so that I can design easily this Macqueen car. Now in the front view I will design it. We get a front view. Now place a line. I will design with a line tool. I will use line tool to design this Macqueen car. ज़्यादा है चलेगा ना. Now I'm looking fast. select the vertices, drag it with select and move tool. This select and move tool, select all these all vertices, so all vertices, or you can hold a control key by selecting multiple vertices, and deselect this with alt key, this vertex, the down one, with alt key, alt key, and apply it, fill it. You can type it in number also. I will go with numbers in by calculating into 2000. I'll make it 2000. Now I'll extrude it, drag it over the line over here, and apply extrude command. Now let me select from here purple, extrude it. Afterward I will apply a material. Now apply edit poly modifier, or you can go right click on the with the mouse and make it editable poly. Apply. I will go with edit poly modifier. Make sure that you have select from default shading, select edge faces. Select these vertices, edges. Now apply connect. Apply connect. Make it to this near. Now again select these vertices, edges. Apply connect. Now minus 85, before it was 115. I have placed it one segment or one edge, 15 and 85 was there. Now I will go with I will place one segment 15, and this time I will place it at minus 85. Now select these edges. What is this? drag it to the downside. Extrude it. Now let me check it out what is going on. Now select this vertex corner, vertices, and drag it upward. Go to first, drag it upward. Make it as cap. Go to cap. I've deleted this. Select this cap.